Maristella Liburnian Novilara, begin by inspecting the newly revised kit, noting its quality lumber, laser-cut parts, and included hardware, rigging, and sewn sail. First, assemble the backbone. Glue the keel components together. Then, cut the ravet and install the spacers. The builder notes these spacers can be removed after the fairing process is complete.
Next, prepare the hull for its distinctive appearance. A key early step is masking the hull to define the waterline for the final paint scheme. Now move to the bow to craft the iconic figurehead. Reference the provided plans closely during this intricate carving and assembly process, as the builder noted this step was not extensively photographed.
Following the hull construction, install the rudder. The model features a stern post rudder, which is based on the manufacturer's historical interpretation of the Novilara stele, differing from the steering oars shown in the original artifact. Then, begin the rigging. Install the mast foot as a foundation. Proceed to complete all the standing rigging. Once the rigging is secure, you can stow the oars along the sides of the vessel. The final steps involve adding the running rigging to the mast and sail, and applying the final details. The completed model showcases the unique design of this Liburnian vessel, ready for display.